Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Do you want to know about Bayberry.com review? If yes, then watch this video because this video is for you, as we are going to share unbiased review on this video regarding this website. So let's check out the detail. As we found, the website is getting attention from customers, especially from United States and from other part of the world. Bayberry is an e-commerce website widely popular in United States for selling tires and mechanic tool online. The website provides a range of automobile tools and accessories at affordable price. These include window air conditioners, tires, camping hub tents, grease guns, and much more. Moreover, the website has recently launched on 11th August 2021. However, this is not only the website that sells similar offering. Many other similar websites provide automobile accessory at cost-effective rate, but you just check out the legitimacy of the website. So let's check out the specification of Bayberry website. It is HTTPS secure website. They have multiple products. They have not shared their contact detail, but they shared their email address and physical address. But unfortunately, the email address shared by the website is not matching the domain name, and it can be one of the alert. Let's check out some other details. As far as return and refund policy is concerned, they offer 30 days return policy, but they have not mentioned anything regarding refund. They have shared their social media accounts, but these links are not working. They have multiple payment methods acceptable. For processing, they need 24 hours to 3 days. For delivery, they need 7 to 12 days. The positive feature of Bayberry website are the website offers product at cost effective rate as low as $59. It has valid HTTPS link. The negative feature of Bayberry website are the information listed on the website is not proper. The links of social media pages are broken. No contact detail have been shared. The email address is not matching the domain name. It has negative customer review. Few products listed on the website. So the question is Bayberry legit or a scam? When we check out the detail, we found it has very low trust score of 1%. Recently created on 11th July 2021 and it will expire on 11th August 2022. The trust rank is about 39.2 out of 100. Social media links are broken. Negative reviews are found on internet. The content quality is not good. Honest information is hidden. So on our research, we do not find any review on the website itself under products. However, when we furthermore research about this website, we found negative reviews of the customer with overall rating of 2 star. As per a customer, they share that the website is a scam. Another customer purchased a telescope from the website. Then they try to cancel the product or their order. They are unable to cancel. So in our final verdict, we can say that the website is a scam and not legit. Moreover, the website lacks customer reviews on its product. The one listed on the internet is negative, and there is no contact detail to connect to the customer care. So we can say that the website is completely a scam and not make purchases based on all the details we shared with you. And if you have a personal experience of shopping from this store, please share your views and experience right in the comment box. We love to hear from you.